Let's turn it up. Don't stop, won't stop, can't stop now. Don't stop, won't stop, can't stop. Don't stop, won't stop, can't stop now. Don't stop, won't stop. Let's turn it up.
What's up, family? Hey, on the way to my Airbnb property, man. Been blessed. It's been occupied for about, I'm gonna be honest with you, since my mom took over, been running it. Man, it's been a blessing to have it on autopilot. So this last people we've had in here been in there for about 30 days. I love this Airbnb, man. It's really phenomenal. And then wait till we get over here. I want you guys to see how it's little work that needs to be done. It's not like when you rent out a property, you get it back, you gotta put new flooring in, new paint, and all that stuff. And you get it back, hey, the cleaning crew come in, clean it up, looks brand new again. So we've been I think we've had this particular property on Airbnb, I think it's been about a year. Been very profitable. So if you guys in a good area, in like an inner city area or a high attraction area, think about doing an Airbnb. I mean, it's hands off. Get you a good cleaning crew, come in, clean up as soon as the other people leave out. You're just making money, man, every day. But we've been booked for like the last 2 months. For the last 2 months, we've been booked for 30 days. Another guy booked it for 20-some days. So now it's available now, but we got another couple coming in for 2 weeks. So man, I'm telling you guys, this Airbnb is the way to go. If you're in the inner city, in a good area, Airbnb your property. If you're in the country somewhere, I wouldn't suggest it. Maybe you could Airbnb a room or something, or your basement. The chances are of it staying packed and booked very slim. So you want to make sure you're in a good area, in the city, or a hot area where a lot of traffic is. You'll stay booked. You'll stay making money constantly. You'll stay paid. So we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna let you guys take a look at how the property is left when people leave. This last couple been, I think they was there 20-something, yeah, like I said, 20-something days. So check it out. All right, guys. So we at our Airbnb property, man, East Atlanta, Georgia. Look at all these woods, man. I love it here. It's actually my childhood home that I grew up in. So we've had this property a long time. My mom paid $30,000 for it back in '76. Now it's worth about I think it's about $340 or something, man. So I go to show you that real estate, man. You buy right, can't lose. Can't lose. It's a neighbor right here. I remember this was a vacant lot. I wish I knew something about real estate back then growing up. I would have bought this lot. I think my mom said they had a chance to buy it for like $20,000. But my dad was scared to buy it. It wasn't comfortable spending that money because he didn't know anything about real estate. Bet he wish he would have bought it now. So these are some of the supplies that, you know, we furnish our Airbnb with. If you do have an Airbnb property, guys, it's best to go to Costco and buy this stuff in bulk. And this juice right here stand, this for personal, this stand at the crib. Get that good honest juice. No GMO, baby. Honest, send me a check. You got the large kitchen bags. You got the big bag of paper towels. Got the chips. We leave them chips on the counter when they get there. We leave wine, bottled wine. So you come to my Airbnb. Hey, anybody want to come to my Airbnb? Let me know, guys. We in Atlanta, probably about 3 or 4 miles away from the city. So we right here in the mix. We stay booked. 3-bedroom, 2-bath property. Got your large coffee. Large cream. Let's take some of this stuff inside. Let's go. We got the cleaning service here. I haven't been on here in so long. We got it on air. I got it on autopilot. This is the living area. Like I said, these folk been in here a couple of weeks, man. Still in good shape. That's the power and the benefit of doing it. Look at that. Still in decent shape, man. First, when you rent the property out, you're gonna have to keep on fixing stuff. Come in, repaint everything. New carpet, new floor. This is an extra bonus room we have back here. That bed lets out, so it take us. That add to the extra bedroom, so that's more money. Got the TV on the wall. Let's walk through here. This is 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We're renting it for $89 during the weekdays, guys. Weekend, I think it's $149. Like I said, I'm hands off right now, so I love it. But you want to rent you a nice property over here, 4 or 5 minutes away from downtown Atlanta, definitely give me a call. Well, not a call, but you know, shoot an email. It's the other bedroom, and it's the third. So, like I say, guys, it's the worst thing they're gonna do. Mess up the sheets. It's the other bathroom. Got another TV in here. So we got a couple of televisions in here. It's the linen closet. This is where we keep all the goodies at. Got an electronic lock. Just put the number in. Boom. Open the door. It's kitchen area. You just need the basic stuff in the kitchen. You want to make sure you got your. There's some extra stuff they left, but they always leaving food in the refrigerator. Coffee maker, toaster, refrigerator. We just put some water in there. Gonna keep them nice, cold water when they get in. Hey, they may have had a long day, so got a bottle of wine over there waiting on them. Back into the living area. Front room. Another TV here. Welcome, welcome.
Thank you. She looks so toned and healthy, doesn't she?
Wash and dry area. Want to make sure you got a wash and dry, guys. So you can get your linens and stuff clean. Make sure you got all the supplies in case the people want to wash their clothes while they're here.